What are you in for?
I'll show you.
God damn it, stop that! Oh, no, sir, no, not you.
That's terrific, really. What's your name?
Jones. Marvell Jones.
It's a hell of a way to spend my evenings.
Want to ride?
Personally, I don't even own a television. Hungry, Diane?
Who did that? Hey, watch where you're going, lady!
Okay, you can start the car now.
One more ping out of you, Jonesy. I'm going to tape your lips permanently together.
Good.
Thank you very, very much. Please, thank you. Oh, you're too kind. You're just...
Jones.
Well, thank you very, very much. I'm honored to be...
Good evening, gentlemen. I congratulate you on another good day. Sleep well.
Hey, Count. Getting word we're going to be taking over soon? We're ready.
You're improving, guys, but you're still way down at the food chain. As we vampires say, lights out, suckers.
Checking computers right now, sir. Please stand by.
I'd like the number for budget runner plane, please.
It's probably the buckle, sir. Here, I'll get it.
Away from me, Proctor.
Thanks. Under, please.
Very funny, Jones.
the hell are you made of?
Target human. Mission destroyed.
God, you're a robot.
My God, you're a robot. My God, you're a robot.
Please don't kill me.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Konstantin Konali, Russian mafia godfather. His brother and second in command, Mikhail Konali. Konstantin Konali is involved in extortion, gambling, fencing jewelry, arms dealing, but he does not choose to involve himself.
Too much cabbage.
Today, we have shown people everywhere